In this quick video, I'll show you how to reset your Ring Floodlight Cam, step by step. It's pretty straightforward, but there's one part one don't love about it, which I'll get into in a moment. So, to reset the camera, you'll need to press and hold the button on the top of the camera for 30 seconds. This button is usually easy to spot. It's right there on the top of the device. Once you've held the button for the full 30 seconds, the camera should reset itself. Now, here's the part one find a little frustrating. If your camera is mounted up high, like on the side or top of your house, you'll probably need a ladder to reach it. That can be a bit inconvenient, especially if you're trying to troubleshoot quickly. I mean, wouldn't it be great if the reset button were at the bottom or in a more accessible spot? But we have to work with what we've got, right? Once the reset is complete, give it a moment to reboot and reconnect to your network. Hopefully, this fixes any issues you're having with your floodlight cam. Let me know in the comments if this helped or if you ran into any problems.